Hey guys, welcome back to week 2. We are doing word part vocabulary. It is a Saturday night and Miss Killia and I are here for you. Feel the love. Alright, so here is your assignment. You have, you have index cards in front of you. On one side of the index cards, I want you to write the word part, and on the back, I want you to write a definition with examples. Come up with words that, what am I trying to say?
Come up with words that are using the word parts. You see, word parts are really important because even though we speak English, 70% of our language is actually Greek and Latin roots. And they say, not only is 70% of our language word parts, if you learn just 50 important word parts, you can figure out up to 100,000 words. That's a lot.
It's good vocabulary. Alright, so here, a and, they both mean away from.
Alright, so we take a look at our example words. We have immoral, alright, which doesn't mean not moral, but you're moving away from being moral. Same thing with anarchy, moving away from wanting to be governed.
Good. Make sure you write this down. And on the front, away from on the back. Voc means to call.
Alright, so our examples, vocation. Sometimes we talk about our jobs, our career. Some people consider what they do for a living their calling. So vocal, we all know when we call out to someone, when we speak, that would be an example of it. Evoke, when you're kind of going down to your memories or you're recollecting. So it's calling from your memory. Invocation, that's when you're calling for help and support. So those are all examples of this word part.
Good. Make sure you have those down. We're going to be checking these. Phon, it means sound.
Okay, so telephone, phonetic, symphony. Think about this modern invention, the telephone, okay? Tele means distance, and so phone means sound. So we're getting sound from a distance, all right? And so that's why we call it, that's actually what the word telephone means. Phonetic, think about when you're in elementary school. You sound words out. That's called phonics. So something pertaining to phonics is considered phonetic. Think of a symphony. What do you do when you go there? You're listening. You're listening to many different instruments create a specific sound together. There's your word, symphony.
Good. All right, Greg, heard.
All right. Think about when you go to church or go to an event. People come together. They're herding together. Segregation, all right? Herding people or things into specific groups.
Still herding, but into separate groups. Right.
Okay,
and that's
it.
That's the end.
We hope that you wrote down on your note cards these because you will be tested on them.
You will be tested and we will check to make sure that you have them done. This is the end of your first video.
All right, have a good night.